Good Monday to you. We are starting off chilly this week, but it is not sticking around. We are warming up around here again by the middle of the week. Struggling to get much higher than 50 today. Clouds this morning as a cold front is coming through, even a couple of flurries in southern New Hampshire. But the skies brighten up with sunshine today, light winds as well. Could be some frost around tonight. Tomorrow we're back in the mid and upper 50s, but clouds are on the increase. There could be a few showers rolling through tomorrow night. That is a warm front that is going to bring in the milder air. 70s on Wednesday, near 80 for Halloween, and then we will cool things off Friday into the weekends.
You know, it wasn't just brush fire smoke that was out there this morning. Do you see that? What do you think? Snowflakes were falling too. This is in Windham, New Hampshire. Flakes were seen on our side of the border as well. It's been a busy day in the Weather Center, Cindy, but it's a little early, no?
I mean, we can have snow in October. There have been years that we've certainly had more than this, but we can also have some big warmth still in October, and we're going to see more of that too. But yeah, this was the view this morning in Beverly. You can see the flakes that were coming down. Didn't amount to anything, but we had just a little band of snow showers drop out of southern New Hampshire through the North Shore. Even had a couple of flakes out in the Pepperell area. And now look, they are gone. They were coming in with a cold front, and this front has basically ushered in a new batch of chilly air. And if you've been outside, you can feel that it is chilly today. 30s and 40s right now. On the other side of that front, it's still running in the 60s down around D.C. And we're going to be on the cooler side of things, at least for the next couple of days, with this dip in the jet stream here over New England. And then look what happens as we get toward the middle of the week. Wednesday into Thursday, here comes a big ridge in the jet stream building warmth into our area. And we are talking temperatures jumping way above average once again. 70s on Wednesday. We could be pushing toward 80 degrees on Thursday, which is Halloween, and the record high for that date is 81 from 1946. It is 79 in Worcester from that same year, and we are going to be challenging those records coming up on Thursday, so it does look warm for the trick-or-treaters this year. Right now, it is chilly, just 44 in Boston. Norwood, New Bedford, Vineyard, and Nantucket, really the only spots that have touched 50 degrees right now, and that's despite the fact that we have sunshine, good amount of blue sky. This is the view from Worcester right now, but I do anticipate in the Worcester area, you are struggling to hit 50 degrees for a high temperature this afternoon. So it will be chilly if you are headed out. Make sure you're dressed for it. That chill is out there, but fortunately we don't have much wind. That light northerly wind turning on shore this evening. And notice after the sun sets how quickly the temperatures are going to drop with a mainly clear sky tonight and light winds. It is going to get cold, and there will likely be some areas of frost developing tonight. We're talking upper 20s in our coldest suburbs to about 37 or so downtown, so definitely on the chilly side tonight. Tomorrow we'll start out with sunshine, but then we're going to bring in some clouds, and as the winds turn to the south tomorrow, temperatures come up a few degrees. We're talking mid to upper 50s for highs. A little sun in the morning, and then notice how those clouds take over. It should be dry into the early evening tomorrow, and then look at this. There could be some showers coming through tomorrow night, either side of midnight. They are gone by Wednesday morning, and then we'll get back into sunshine on Wednesday. But the opportunity to see at least a little bit of rain, it's a few hundredths of an inch at best, but it's something in this extremely dry pattern that we are in. Right now, 35% of the state is in moderate drought, and this has only been expanding over the past couple of weeks because we just haven't had the rainfall. We've only had 2 inches since September 1st in Boston and 1.5 inches in Worcester. Typically, we've had 7 to 8 inches of rain in that time period. So right now, we are the third driest start to fall on record in Boston, and in Worcester, notice how we're in the number 2 spot. So we really need some rain. We've got that opportunity for a few showers tomorrow night. That is a warm front, and after it goes through, it is just opening up the door for that really warm air to move on in. So it's looking warm on Wednesday, warm on Halloween for the trick-or-treaters, and then a cold front comes in on Friday, and this will provide our next opportunity for a few showers. But that's it. Again, just a few showers with that front, and then behind it, we're knocking back our temperatures, bringing back the sunshine, looking seasonable this weekend in the 50s, but also dry. And don't forget, this is the weekend. We turn those clocks back 1 hour as daylight saving time comes to an end.